Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Sassy. Oh, Sassy. Oh, Coco. Two freshly bathed dogs. Oh, you, no. Mm-mm. There she is, nice and clean. Oh, oh! There he is, up close. Hey, hey! Oh, you're looking for a, are you looking for a treat? Are you looking for a treat? Hmm? Are you looking for a treat? Get your dolly. Get your dolly. There you go. Oh, now we're happy because we're in Mama's bed. We're clean. And we got our dolly. Sassy's still looking a little lost over here. Is there a ghost? Huh, Sassy? Do you see a ghost? What is it? What is it, girl? What is it, lassie? Is there something in the closet? Fat clothes! Are you looking at me? Coco, are you looking at me? You looking at me? I'm looking at you looking at me. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Hmm. And Sassy still sees something in the closet. What's in the closet? Hmm.